right from a childhood up north, we in our school books are always reading a 4-page story about these four Sahibzades, about their valor, their courage, and the principles they had, and they never deviated from the principles that they held on to. And this story always stays with almost everyone up north, because that's told to you when you're a school child or from your grandmother or your grandparents. This is when I wanted to make a film, something on the history of northern India, that I approached the SGPC in Amritsar, and hence when the permission came, I thought, let me put this film on, the story in film, which then I thought कि ये सिर्फ कुछ 45 मिनट की कहानी हो जाएगी, बहुत खींचूंगा, 4 सफ़ों में पड़ी है, लेकिन हमें 2.25 घंटे की फिल्म को 2 घंटे में लाना पड़ा, इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन थी इसके बारे में.
I think one of the key things for this film that actually worked was us sitting on a dining table and actually talking about Char Sahibzade as one of the many stories that you grow up with, which your parents tell you. And there's only that much information that I had. It's only when Dad started actually, looking into this film and researching this film and finding out more and more about it. By the end of it, if you actually walk into his office, he's probably got close to 30 odd books on Sikhism. There is no historian he's not met, traveled to different parts of Punjab, met pretty much everyone there, just to get the real stories out. I mean, at the end of the day, this is history. This is something that happened, 300 odd years ago. So it's pretty much everything's based on facts, and I think for me it was pretty much being with him through this journey, even though, it's animation, and we sort of crossing our fingers and hope, that it gets widely accepted. Obviously he took up the challenge of making it 3D, which I'd like to thank Prasad from iRealities, who's been a very, very strong support system in this. And together I think, they've done everything they could.
मैं कहूँगा कि ये एक बहुत ही ड्रामेटिक, एक बहुत ही करेज वाली कहानी है इन 4 साहबजादों की. इसके साथ रिलीजन का कोई लेन देन नहीं, सिर्फ इतना ज़रूर है कि वो गुरु साहब के बेटे थे. So it's a storytelling. It's not any preaching or anything of that kind at all. Yes, we have the film not dubbed, but we made it in Punjabi, made it in Hindi, and we are dubbing it in English also. So it's in 3 languages. English being more American accent, because there are people staying outside India who probably those teenagers and young kids, they probably follow that accent better than the Indian English accent. So that's the effort behind it.